Alrighty. Well, Monday was pretty awesome in our Discord room today. I just wanted to show you our new. I've combined the JAT Scalper Pro with the ICT. So you can see how it just kicked ass today. Let me look at this right from, not that's difficult to capture a trend day, but you can see all the winners here, all the winners. There's going to be some pullbacks, obviously, and then just right when market opened. If you turn off the signals, which you don't really need today, honestly, just look how awesome. That just awesome price action. Pretty basic though for a nice bull Monday. Just pretty much straight up from basically all you had to do was open your chart Sunday evening and buy, and just hold the rest of the day, which was always like that. More on the traditional way we trade, which is GAN to GAN. You can see plotted some of my what I call ideal A plus setups. So overnight you can see the cool background. Right from pretty much the start of the evening, Asia was pretty much bullish, right? I mean, you're getting nothing is coming close to the 06. Things kind of fumbling around 117. So overnight, then all of a sudden by 2:30, you get a nice push up off the 14 level. So that would have been a nice buy there. GAN to GAN. Didn't even if I was up, you don't really even have an entry here. Barely. You have to be you'd be going GAN, and then you can see now it came back a little bit, just barely underneath it. So not enough to sell it, but then it'd be an opportunity to go long here at 545. So excellent. And you can see the divergence that it formed, bullish divergence, I should say. And there you go. GAN to almost the GAN. Look at that. So I think it's about 8:30 New York time. Then of course you get some bearish divergence, some selling pressure, but the market never even came close to the 4-hour GAN at 186. So as the market opened right here, shoots up to 271, which is a 4-hour GAN. That's where it was kind of fumbling around pre-market. Again, it doesn't even come down to this 4-hour GAN. So basically, you kind of just wait, right? So in theory, you could have gone long here. But the better entry is to wait a little bit, because it came up here and it was kind of wicking around. So if you're looking for the best entry, right here on this candle, so you're getting in at 775 with your risk around 63ish level, and so you're getting in right here, and it's pretty basic. Or if you missed that entry, man, NQ was pretty nice. It actually gave you, it didn't come down quite to this 4-hour GAN. So you, in theory, could have, if you're really on your game, maybe tough, but you could scalp from this 4-hour GAN and get a few ticks out of that, and then you could didn't even touch this one. So you're looking at this little doji, and maybe you enter here. You could enter maybe after the doji, but likely you'll probably get entry in this range, and then you're just looking to scalp up to the next GAN. And so it basically didn't really go shoot straight off, but it gave you another entry here. So I guess it went GAN to GAN in here, and then GAN to, it didn't quite, trying to think here, you could have entered here for a little scalp here. This is kind of the time of the day when it kind of does its consolidation, and we're getting closer to power hour, not quite there yet. You can see right before power hour, it does a kind of a double top near this 4-hour GAN. So you could counter trend, but I don't like that. So in theory, you could enter, and this would be a losing trade, but that's all right. So you go along here, come stop you out, likely, but then you can see how it basically does a double bottom here, and then you can enter here, scalp up a little bit, then or you broke even on that trade, and you can see how it's fumbling around. Finally, we get another re-entry above the GANN line, and again you could scalp a little bit, but likely got stopped out again because this is just right before power hour. And again, if you got this, if you got long here, likely a stop out. That's just the way it goes. And then you can see another opportunity here. This one might have been a little tricky because it does come back here again, but you can see how you could do another re-entry. Wouldn't be ideal, but that's just the way it goes at the end of the day. If you're still trying to trade, I don't like trading this time of day anyway, but you could see that there's another opportunity to go long. Well, it was pretty tough because it shot straight up. So either you're looking, kind of seeing this action kind of, and then you see a double bottom. Hopefully you're getting in here before it shoots up. But even if, in either case, if you got in long there, you're able to scalp up another GAN level before the the day kind of filters out, kind of. So, but yeah, it's kind of cool using. If I turn on the signals, you can see how it does it pretty well. Pretty good job with the signals too. I just trade levels mainly. So, and then I don't want to give out too much, secrecy. Yeah, I can't show you that. But I'm looking at a GAN indicator that gives, this is the bare bones of it. So it's going to give you sell signals at 1 hour or daily or 4 hours. So I'm looking at 3 time frames, and you can see it actually does a pretty good job. You could short here, long here. This would be a loss. Win. And this is kind of a tan. So this, if you got the first one, you did okay. Definitely, obviously, with the day kind of trending bullish, you wouldn't want to really counter trend. You're just waiting for these nice pullbacks. But anyway, so I'm creating a really cool indicator that will have A, B, and C trades. Likely just A and B. I don't know if it really needs C. I like taking A trades. B trades are good if you want to scalp a little bit. So anyway, that's kind of in the works to help people trade with GAN levels, because it can be, just like anything, can be a little tricky. So anyway, that's a kind of a recap of today's trading. I finished up 1500-ish, so good day. And I know we had a really good Discord this morning, just kind of discussing things. And so anyway, I'll be on Discord again or YouTube tomorrow morning. So have a great rest of your day. Take care.